Welcome to Amabestchoice.com. In this video, we've curated a list of the top 5 best exercise bikes for home on Amazon to elevate your home workout experience. From compact designs to cutting-edge technology, these exercise bikes cater to every fitness enthusiast's needs.
Number 1.
The Mini exercise bike stands out as an exceptional choice for at-home fitness. Its versatility shines through its adjustable resistance levels, catering to varying fitness needs, and allowing for targeted muscle engagement, whether for upper or lower body workouts. The inclusion of a digital LCD display adds convenience by tracking time, count, calories, and distance, enhancing the monitoring of workout progress. Its compact, lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, enabling exercise virtually anywhere, be it at home, the office, or outdoors. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools, while its anti-slip features ensure stability and safety during use. This mini bike emerges as a top-notch option, offering a holistic exercise experience that's adaptable, convenient, and effective for all fitness levels within the comfort of home.
Number 2.
The Marcy Recumbent exercise bike is an exceptional choice for home fitness. Its sturdy 14-gauge steel tubing and powder-coated finish ensure durability, while the step-through design facilitates easy mounting and dismounting, ideal for those with knee or back concerns. With 8 resistance levels controlled by tension knobs, it offers versatility for various fitness levels. The clear LCD screen displays crucial workout metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned, ensuring easy tracking. The ergonomically designed padded seat with contoured foam-covered handles provides exceptional comfort and support. The counterbalanced pedals with adjustable foot straps offer stability and control during workouts. Overall, this bike combines comfort, functionality, and durability, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and effective exercise bike for their home gym. Plus, the extended 90-day return window is a great assurance for buyers.
Number 3.
The Sunny Health and Fitness Elliptical Peddler stands out as an exceptional exercise companion for home use. With a focus on low-impact exercise, this Peddler offers a fantastic way to burn calories and tone muscles without imposing strain on joints, making it a favorite among over 10,000 satisfied customers. Its smooth and silent operation, powered by a belt drive mechanism with magnetic resistance, ensures a quiet and maintenance-free workout experience. The versatile, compact design easily fits under most desks, allowing for seamless integration of fitness into your daily routine. The comprehensive digital monitor conveniently displays real-time data on time, speed, calories, and distance, keeping you updated on your workout progress. Customizable magnetic resistance with 8 levels lets you tailor your workout to match your fitness level, fostering muscular endurance over time. Additionally, arriving fully assembled, this elliptical peddler allows you to kickstart your fitness journey right out of the box. Its lightweight, compact nature makes storage effortless, and integrated hand grips facilitate easy transportation. Backed by Sunny Health and Fitness's 20 years of industry experience, this elliptical peddler embodies reliability, durability, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for home exercise.
Number 4.
The Nordictrack Commercial Studio Cycle is a powerhouse, redefining home exercise bikes with its comprehensive features. The inclusion of a 30-day IFIT family membership elevates the cycling experience, offering a vast array of on-demand workouts, global routines, and studio classes accessible to up to 5 users. The upgraded 22 rotating HD touchscreen display, equipped with improved graphics and 360-degree rotation, delivers an immersive workout interface. Its automatic trainer control, encompassing a quieter incline motor ranging from -10% to 20% incline, and 24 resistance levels, stands out, allowing IFIT trainers to dynamically adjust settings for a seamless hands-free workout. The addition of Bluetooth headphone connectivity enhances the audio experience, while the provision of 2 3-pound dumbbells facilitates cross-training during cycling sessions. Moreover, its robust construction, with a 350-pound user weight capacity and extensive warranty coverage, assures durability and peace of mind. The Nordictrack Commercial Studio Cycle undoubtedly excels as an all-inclusive home exercise bike, combining innovation, functionality, and durability for an exceptional workout experience.
Number 5.
The Marcy magnetic recumbent exercise bike stands out as an exceptional choice for home workouts. Due to its impressive blend of durability, functionality, and comfort. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame, this bike promises longevity without compromising on performance. Its 8 levels of magnetic resistance cater to various fitness levels, allowing users to push boundaries and customize their workout intensity effortlessly. The high-tech LCD monitor is a standout feature, offering clear visibility of crucial workout metrics like time, speed, distance, and calories burned. What sets this bike apart is its adjustable seat, ensuring optimal comfort and proper alignment for users of different leg lengths. The ergonomically designed padded handles further enhance comfort and stability during workouts. Overall, the Marcy recumbent exercise bike proves to be a stellar investment for home fitness enthusiasts, offering a seamless blend of durability, functionality, and tailored comfort for an effective workout experience.